Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix SteelSeries Sonar mic that is not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are going to be a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue you're encountering with your SteelSeries Sonar mic. So the first thing you want to do here is you might want to reinstall the SteelSeries GG app. So you want to open up your computer's search bar here and you want to basically search for add or remove program. Now, from here on, you will just want to basically search for the SteelSeries CG app here and basically uninstall it from your PC. Now, once you've uninstalled the app itself, you could go and install it again and see if that solves the issue. Now, typically speaking, sometimes the app itself there might be some bugs or some problems on the installation file they have right now on your PC. So that's why reinstalling it can sometimes solve a lot of issues. Now, next thing that you can do here is you might want to adjust your sound settings. So in this case, you want to open up your system settings here, and you want to go ahead and just search for sound settings. But typically speaking, just go to your search bar here, just type in sound settings, and from here on, you should be able to access it as you can see right now. And from then on, you want to both check your output and your input section. So you want to make sure that the correct device are selected here. So in this case, for your input, I would recommend you to make sure to choose your appropriate microphone. So in this case, make sure to select your SteelSeries Sonar mic here if you want to use it. Now, next thing that you want to do here is you want to maybe check your privacy settings. So in this case, you want to go to your sound settings again. And what you need to do here is you want to look for your privacy settings. So typically speaking, now in here, you want to go ahead and select your microphone. So for example, this one. And in here, what we need to do is we want to go to the audio section. And from here, you just want to make sure that you allow apps and windows to use this device for audio. So in this case, make sure to click on allow here. But if you already see don't allow here, it means it's already turned on. Now, if none of these steps that we've shown you here doesn't work, it means that you might have a faulty device, which in this case you might need to reach out to support in order for you to get your replacement, especially if you just bought it recently. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.